Yo, good morning, y'all. One of my childhood fishing spots, and I got two fishing rods with me today. I got one that I'm gonna pitch around for bass, and then I got another one I'm gonna put some live bait on. But the thing is, we came down here with no bait, y'all. First thing we're wanting is a crawdad. We'll get a couple crawdads, maybe a couple small ones even. We'll turn them small ones into little panfish. And if we can get a couple of these guys, turn them into a couple of panfish, then we got some cut bait. Y'all, I got this little bitty crawdad. It's kind of a big hook, but I was being lazy. I didn't feel like tying a new one. But we're gonna go out here by these roots, see if we can just drop it by these roots and get us a sunfish. There's our bait. That's all we need. Let's get this baby out there. So deep out here, y'all. Alright, now in the meantime, I'm going to be walking this bank over here, throwing the old buzz. First one of the day, y'all. We got the drone hovering up. See you, mama. We're getting a little ways away from the rod now. I feel comfortable. I got it staked down pretty good, and I got the drag wide open. The temperature's already warmed up a little bit. I peeled off the sweatshirt. Alright, we walk down to the next little hole. It's not much of a little hole, it's good size. Looks like a good place for a largemouth to be hiding out at. There's one. There you go, baby. That's a nice creek largemouth. Man, you don't get much of a better creek bass than that, y'all. That guy is chunky, healthy, strong fish. See, just like I was hoping, right here in the deep water. Hitting back a nice largemouth. There's nothing more fun than catching these charged up creek bass on a buzzbait. This is my brother's favorite way to fish. He put me onto it, but early mornings like this, you can't beat it. Just had a gar break me off, and he broke me off like fucking 20 yards out of my line. So now I'm trying to snag my line. Good thing my line's floating. I think I could have it. Feel a little resistance. It's not wobbling near as much as it normally does. Got it, y'all. Got my buzz bait back. Weird. I don't know why it would break that far down. Alright, y'all, just parked the car right there, and we're working a new spot. We didn't have no luck on the dead stick, no bites on the cut bait, so we're going back after them with the buzz bait. Got like an hour to fish, so we're going to try to end this video off the right way. I have to make this a quickie, y'all. Dang, that was a good fish. He spit it, y'all. I was trying to keep him from jumping. Hey, y'all, I've had some line malfunction. So now we got 20 yards of line we're casting out. Look at the darkness on this girl. He came right out from that grass. See, little bit of fishing line we got left. That was pretty cool seeing that guy come out of the grass like that. The water's got a weird color to it right now, but it's clear. And that fish was so dark you could see him come out from that grass. He had been tucked up in there trying to evade the sun. Would like to catch 2 more like that. Get our little limit in. Oh, y'all, that was so sick. Nice. There we go. There's fish number 4. See you, old girl. That was so cool. What do you say, little spotty guy? Fish number 5. See, fish number 5. We've officially got our limit. Most of the fish were all good sized fish too. That one was a little stinker, but the other 4 were all nice fish. What you doing out there in that deep water, girl? Bass number 6. Small jaw number 5. See, bro. Man, we caught him out there in the deep water. Big old butterball largemouth. Look at the shoulders on that bass. Man, that makes fish number 7, and this is where we're going to end it off, y'all. I appreciate y'all walking the creek with me one more time. And as always, y'all, catch y'all next time, man. Peace. See ya.